Do you know bananas talk to each other chemically? Yes, they make each other to ripen faster. Your fruit basket is also full of chemical communication. Bananas release a natural gas called ethylene. Ethylene is a plant hormone that acts as a ripening signal. So, bananas basically chemically communicating. Inside the fruit, ethylene converts starch into sugar, make them softer, and later color changes from green to yellow. When bananas are capped together, ethylene gas gets trapped around them. Ethylene gas concentration increases and bananas ripen faster and faster. That is why bananas ripen faster when in a bunch, while slower when they kept separate. Here's a small science hack. Want bananas to stay fresh longer? Keep them separate. Your fruits are doing chemistry all the time. Follow for more science.